2, 1, go! Oh, you got it. Sorry.
Okay.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Kraken. We're here at the field today. We're doing some 2v2s. We got Papa Dragon, Kraken, Maroon, and G Money with us joining today. And, yeah, we're gonna run some 2v2s. We'll switch up the teams lots. We'll just run it and see what happens. So enjoy the gameplay, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.
Let's do it. Go. Coming, road. Where is he? Oh, hit! Nice shot, nice shot. You got me right in the mask. I didn't see you at all. Got the GoPro too.
Where that was from.
Oh no.
That's alright.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, got me, got me. 1, go! Oh, you got me. Where's Malachi? Oh, back there. Oh, bring it. You got it. You're good. No, I was just running through the bushes. Oh, you got me, you got me. Oh, got me right in the knuckle. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yep, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, sorry, I shot you. I shot Graham in the back.
Oh, that one right. Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I get you in the vest or no?
No, right below it.
Oh, shoot, dude. I'm sorry.
Oh, that hurt.
I was like aimed on Malachi, and then I came back and just walked right in front of me. And I was like, oh no.
You actually shot.
I did.
Oh, friendly fire. Is that the first friendly fire?
I think so.
Which one? Is it that one up on the right there?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's see.
No, it's right here.
I'm sorry, man.
It's right there.
Oh, nice. Okay, switch ends. You guys got my legs like 10 times there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're right. I should have thought about that.
I'm sorry.
No.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, you got me.
Yeah. Sorry.